Alright, what's up guys? The real GianVal1 here, and today we are going to be reacting to Get Out of My Car, Now High Pitched. I've seen this a couple of times and I feel like maybe I should do a reaction video of this because it's way funny. Without further ado, let's do this. Let's turn the volume up. I'm laughing already. Okay, let's not even watch the clean version of this, because like some of you guys are like so young to watch this. Oh my god.
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Oh my god. This is so funny.
You're in the hospital, waiting to be get out of my car. Can you get her out of my car, please?
Okay, so that was it for the vid, guys. I hope you guys liked the vid. Oh, and also, I forgot to say this, but subscribe to East on V1000TM. I mean, this was the funniest video I've ever seen him do. So yeah, see you guys, and I'll be able to see you next time.